Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use visual lookup to identify plants and pets on your iPhone. So first of all, let's open Photos application on your device and let's go to specific photo of the plant or pet. So now in the bottom in the bottom center corner of the screen, you will see this lookup, a visual lookup button. So if it's active, you want to tap it because not every photo has that button. For example, here is just information button, and that means that for this specific photo, the option of visual lookup is not available. So let's tap this information information button, and then you will see here section with lookup, and next to it you will see name of the plant or pet that you're trying to figure out what that is. So let's tap on this name and you will see results. So Apple will provide you some information from Siri and also web. You can tap additionally show more to see more results, and you can go to this link that Siri provides you and read some information about it. Okay, so that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.